everyone, I am going to show you all how to insert accents on the computer today. So what I'm going to do is use a Word document, and my recommendation would be whenever you have to insert accents to go directly to the Word document, type out what you need to type out, and then later copy and paste it to the appropriate platform. So as you see down here, my settings are set to English. I am going to change those, so I'm going to go to Review and then click on a language, and then you can scroll down and find Spanish. Doesn't matter if it's Spanish from Colombia, if your computer has an option Spanish from Mexico, the place isn't important. So just click on Spanish and then it's set. So what you're going to find is sometimes it will automatically insert accents for you. But if it's incorrect, it will make a suggestion. So I have a few sentences here I'm going to write out just so you guys can see how this works. So you can see at the bottom now to switch to Spanish from Spain. And the first sentence I'm going to type is Yo tengo 24 años. So I did that automatically because it's a habit. So I put Anos. Oh, well, it didn't correct me. So, and I know it needs to be corrected, so I'm just going to go in and put another N there because let's say I don't know how to make the Nye. And then I'm going to right click it and then there we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to show you another example. So I'm going to say, ella visitó a su abuela. And it's like, oh, it didn't do it properly. You want the accent. So I'm just going to put in another O there, and it shows that it's wrong. Visitó. You select the correct word. The next one, no sabía la respuesta. So it didn't correct that because sabía is a word in Spanish too. So like I said, just spell it wrong on purpose, right click it, and select the proper word. And the last one, ella tiene un gran corazón. So there's an accent over the O, and it might insert it automatically for us. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So in a nutshell, that is how you do accents. So then afterward, you can right click, copy, paste it to wherever you need to go. But that is the easiest way to do accents. So say for the next writing activity, you read the prompt quickly, and then you can come to this Word document, type out what you need, look over it, and then paste it onto the platform. All right, guys, hope that helped. Good luck.